Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video you will see a popular whiteboard for online teaching. If you are taking online classes on Google Meet or other platform, then you can use this whiteboard to make your lecture more interactive. It is called Google Jamboard. You can find this Jamboard in Google Apps. So let's start how to use this Jamboard. You can find this Jamboard in Google Apps. So click on these 9 dots and from here click on this icon Jamboard. There is no jam right now. So tap plus to create one. So it will create a new jam, and these are the different features or tools are available with this Jamboard. So let's discuss one by one. On the left hand side, this option is for undo. Then you can use redo, and you can change the size of your page or your whiteboard or your jam by choosing 25%, 50% or 100%. You can set background color. So these are the different backgrounds are available with this Jamboard. So you can set background. Then is clear frame. If you are using or writing something on your jam, so you can clear all the content immediately by clicking on this clear frame option. On the left hand side you will find pen with 4 different tools. First is pen, second is marker, then highlighter and brush. So these 4 pen shapes are available with these 6 colors. If you are using pen, so choose its color and write something. If you are using Jamboard or any other board for online teaching, then you have to use pen tab for writing. Right now I am not using any pen tab with my computer. So these are the contents. Now I will click on this clear frame, so it will immediately remove all the contents, so you can undone or redone these actions. Second one is marker, then highlighter to highlight some text or some content. Next is brush. So these are the shapes available with pen. Second tool is for eraser. So by click on this erase button, you can clear or erase the content from your jam. If you want to clear all the content, so clear frame. Then you can use select to select something, and from here you can use some sticky note on your jam. So click on it, and from here you may ask any question from your students during your lecture. For example, what is Jamboard? You can change its background color and click on save. So here you can see your sticky is ready. You can resize its position. You can adjust it anywhere on your jam. You can rotate, and on 3 dots click on it. You can add it or make a duplicate copy or delete this sticky. If you want to edit something, so click on edit. Again click on save. So here is your sticky. Then add image. If you want to insert any image on your jam, so click on this button, add image. And these are the different options So from here you can choose any image. For example, so I'm using this one. So here is my image. Again, you can resize, rotate it and make some changes. You can make duplicate copy, you can delete it, and you can set its preference. If you want to write something on your, for example, if there are some content, now so it works perfectly here. You can change its order, you can send it backward or send to back. So like this you can change its order. From the next option, circle, you can draw circles. Again, you can make a duplicate copy, you can delete this circle and you can change its position. You can change its border color also. You can fill some color. Then is text box. If you are using any text box, so you can write something. And here is your laser. Laser is used to highlight some text, so as you can see here, it will disappear immediately to highlight some text and it will immediately disappear from your screen. So these are the options available with our Jam, and here you can see one of one. You can add a new Jam. So in the same manner you can add or insert new Jam during your lecture, but you can add up to 20 Jams or 20 frames at a time. When your work is complete, you can share this Jamboard by inviting their email IDs or click on these three dots. So from here you can rename your Jamboard. For example, my first board. Click on OK. So here on the left hand side you can see the title of your Jam, that is my first board. You can again rename its name. You can download this Jam as a PDF. So click on download as PDF. So it will download as a PDF. So here you can see your PDF is ready. So all the pages or all the frames of your Jam can be easily downloaded in PDF format. You can remove your Jam, you can make a copy, so like this. So these are the different options are available with this Jamboard. Thank you for watching the video.